Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are giving this IKEA Moppe organizer a quick makeover. The IKEA Moppe organizer is probably one of IKEA's most popular organizing products. It has 6 drawers, all of different sizes, which makes it really useful as an organizer. Also, it's made of balsa wood, which not only takes stain very easily, it also paints very well. I really love the combination of warm wood tones with gold and marble, so that's what we're going to use for this makeover. So let's get started. I started by taking all the drawers apart and staining the frame and the drawers using a light brown stain. I had to leave it to dry for about 24 hours. So the next day, once it was all dry, it was a little rough from absorbing all the stain. So I gave it a light sanding with just a few strokes of a fine sanding block to make it smooth again. Then I went ahead and assembled all the drawers back. Now I had to draw a pattern, so I decided to go with a geometrical design with triangles. On the front, I divided it diagonally across and kept dividing it at the midpoint to draw the triangles until I was happy with the size of the final triangles. Then I marked the triangles I wanted to paint or add marble. There was no real pattern to this. I pretty much picked them randomly, just making sure that no two similar colors were next to each other. The triangles overlap across the drawers, so you want to make sure you mark all the little bits and pieces so that when you take them apart to paint, you are able to make sure you get them all. Then I pulled them all out and I used a masking tape to mask off the areas that needed to be painted. Then I brushed rose gold paint. I will leave a link to the rose gold paint in the description. You want to make sure you also paint the overlapping edges on the frame as well. Now, while the paint was drying, I measured and cut out triangles of the marble contact paper. I discovered marble contact paper when I first used it on my kids' bathroom countertop. It looked really good and held up very well. You can catch all the projects I have used contact paper for in the playlist. Once the paint was dry, I applied the marble contact paper to the marked triangles. For areas where the marble overlaps onto the adjacent drawer, you just have to carefully cut it using a sharp cutter and apply the contact paper across. That's pretty much it. I just went ahead and also extended the pattern of the rose gold and marble triangles on top as well as down on one side of the organizer. So what do you think? I love that the marble looks almost like a marble inlay, and now I have a pretty and functional organizer. I'm a huge fan of contact paper projects. You might also want to watch how I use marble contact paper to make gold and marble coasters. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please do subscribe because I have a lot of fun projects and videos coming up. Bye!